This video is about equation of a tangent line. So we know this curve. There's a point A. We know the tangent line is the line just touch the curve at one point, like this line. This is a tangent line of the curve at x equals a. As we know, derivative is the gradient of a tangent line. That's why the slope of tangent line equals f prime of a. If we know the slope of a tangent line, that's equals f prime of a. And we know the x1, y1, that is a f of a. Then we can use point slope form to write down this equation of a tangent line. That is y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1. Then we will get, this is the equation for tangent line. For number 1, find the equation of a tangent line to the given curve at the stated point. Give your answers of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is positive and a, b, c, they are integers. For a, we know the equation of a tangent line. We need two things. One is the slope of a tangent line. The other is x1, y1. We know the x1, y1 is given. That is 2, 3. How you get the slope of a tangent line? You have to figure out the gradient function first. So, for original function, you need to change into single power. That is 24 times x to the negative third power. Therefore, when you do the derivative for this, drop down minus 1. Here is the formula. A times coefficients the n x to the n minus 1's power. Therefore, you will get the 24 times negative 3. Then x to the negative 4th power. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. I organize. You will get a negative 72 over x to the 4th power. Since the slope of a tangent line, that is a gradient. Therefore, it equals f prime of 2. You need to substitute this 2x into this derivative function. So you will get the negative 72 over 2 to the 4th power. That is negative 72 over 16. Reduce, you will get the negative 9 over 2. Now, I know the slope is negative 9 over 2, and I was given x1, y1, that's 2, 3. Now we can use point slope form for linear function. That is y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1. To write down the point slope form for the tangent line, so you will get the y minus 3 equals negative 9 over 2 x minus 2. In your mind, remember, we need to change into this form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Therefore, these two go to the left side. You will get the 2 parentheses y minus 3 equals negative 9 x minus 2. Then you do distributive property both sides. 2y minus 6 equals negative 9x plus 18. Since the coefficient for x must be positive. That's why I move everything to the left side. And make sure change the sign. So you will get the 9x minus 18. 2y minus 6 will stay because you didn't move, equal to 0. Combine like terms, 9x plus 2y minus 24 equals to 0. This is the equation we are looking for this tangent line. Now let's go to B. Still, we need to figure out the equation of a tangent line. That means I need a slope of a tangent line and also x1, y1. You are given x1, y1, that is -1, -3. So you need to figure out the slope of a tangent line. You need to get the derivative function first. Before you do that, you have to change it into single power for the original function. So we do 6 minus 9 x to the -2nd power. So you get the 0 for constant number minus 9 times -2. Then for this -2 minus 1, you will get the x to the -3rd power. So we organize, you will get the 18 over x to the 3rd power. Then your slope of a tangent line equals f prime of -1. Remember, -1 do the even power, like 2, 4, 6, 8. You will get a +1. -1, you do odd power, you will get the -1, like 3, 5, or 7, 9, and so on. So here is 18. -1 to the 3rd power, you will get -1. That's how you get the -18. Therefore, we use y minus y1 equals slope, x minus x1, this formula. We can write down the equation like this. Y plus 3, because minus -3. Then it's -18. Here is x plus 1. Since we don't have a denominator for this slope, so we just do distributive property on the right side. You will get the -18x minus 18. Still, you need to move everything to the left side so that you will get the coefficient for x is positive. That is 18x plus 18 plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Then you organize, you will get the 18x plus y plus 24 equal to 0.